So this is a follow-up video regarding my client's Green Giant Arborvitae planting. It's an important screen for their backyard. They sit up on top of a hill, so they got a lot of houses they want to screen off. These plants incurred a lot of freeze damage, and I wanted to point out today the trees that fared the best versus the worst. So the trees up on the hill, close to the house, had the least amount of damage, and you can see the amount of dead branches that were cut out. Rapidly increases from no damage whatsoever to a little bit, and you can see these little piles of twigs on the ground, very small pile, to substantially more damage as we go down the hill. I'm going to walk down the hill here and look at the side of the planting. The trees really low on the hillside and next to the fence are really messed up from all the late freeze damage we had. As you go up the side yard, which increases in elevation a little bit, each pile of dead branches gets a little bit smaller. But even the tree at the farthest end of the lot still had some damage. And that's because this property does have a slight downward tilt to it. And so even these trees had cold air drainage damage. So cold air flows down, kind of like water. It hit that fence, and the fence line stopped the air from draining further down the grade. So you can see that in this backyard. And looking back up on this other side, you can see the piles shrink to pretty much nothing, as that side allows the cold air to drain down along the fence line towards the corner of the fence. So there you go. If you have Green Giant Arborvitae trees with damage, simply prune back to live green wood, and you should be okay. Getting those dead branches out will help get sunlight back into areas that were damaged and help the new growth to take off. So as always, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.